Roger, all flights standing by. I have an advisory and a SIGNET. And the advisory may or may not apply depending on your location. But I am going to provide the advisory now. It's a little unique and unusual, so advise attention all aircraft. Attention all aircraft. In the vicinity, I mean latitude and longitude, 3324 north, 3324 north, and a flight reported a small linear object hit by another flight at flight level 350 and somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 feet above as well. Small linear object in this region. I have no other information on this object or what was the result of it. So I will go through and see if the flights have copied this. Quebec Echo 208, did you copy? 208 copy. United 3024, did you copy? United 3024 copy. Roger, and all the flights stand by also for a regular SIGNET after this. United 665, did you copy? Yes, I copy, United 665. United 1820, did you copy? United 1820, copy. United 1526, did you copy?
At approximately 3324 north, 69er 75 west, and about 50 miles around the fixed nose it, a small linear object was reported hit by another flight at level 350 and 3,000 to 5,000 feet above it. Copy?
Roger that. We'll make a note of that, JetBlue 210.
All right, here. Okay, the advisory for the next hour, a small linear object reported hit by another flight at flight level 350, 3 to 5,000 feet above. I'll copy.